Today, I'm going to be talking about what happens if you start eating oats every day. Oatmeal is a healthy whole grain that is packed with nutrients. So, what happens if you start eating oats every day? Let's take a look at some of the science behind these benefits. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to destination for all things health and wellness. We're here to provide you with valuable tips, tricks, and insights to help you lead a happier, healthier life. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family to help us spread the word. Thanks for tuning in. Lowering cholesterol. Oatmeal contains soluble fiber, which helps to bind to cholesterol in the digestive tract and remove it from the body. This can help to lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that people who ate oatmeal every day for 5 weeks had a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol levels compared to those who didn't eat oatmeal. Reducing the risk of heart disease. In addition to lowering cholesterol, oatmeal also contains antioxidants that can help to protect the heart from damage. These antioxidants can help to reduce inflammation and prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate oatmeal every day for 6 weeks had a significant reduction in levels of C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation. Lowering blood sugar levels. Oatmeal is a good source of fiber, which can help to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This can help to keep blood sugar levels stable, which is especially important for people with diabetes. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that people with type 2 diabetes who ate oatmeal every day for 3 months had a significant reduction in their blood sugar levels. Promoting weight loss. Oatmeal is a high-fiber food that is low in calories. This makes it a filling food that can help you to feel full and satisfied after eating. Oatmeal can also help to boost your metabolism, which can help you to burn more calories throughout the day. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate oatmeal for breakfast every day for 12 weeks lost more weight than those who didn't eat oatmeal. Improving digestion. Oatmeal is a good source of soluble fiber, which can help to keep your digestive system healthy. Soluble fiber helps to keep the digestive tract moving and can help to prevent constipation. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that people who ate oatmeal every day for 10 weeks had a significant improvement in their digestive health. Boosting energy levels. Oatmeal is a good source of complex carbohydrates, which provide your body with sustained energy. Complex carbohydrates are broken down slowly in the body, which helps to prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that people who ate oatmeal before a workout had more sustained energy levels during the workout. Protecting against cancer. Oatmeal contains antioxidants that can help to protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to cancer. The antioxidants in oatmeal can help to neutralize free radicals and reduce the risk of cancer. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate oatmeal every day for 6 months had a significant reduction in their risk of developing colorectal cancer. If you enjoy my content and want to help me keep making videos, please consider donating to my channel. Every little bit helps. Your donation will help me to create more high-quality content, such as longer videos, more in-depth research, and better editing. Thank you for your support. So, there you have it. These are just some of the health benefits of eating oats every day. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to improve your diet, then oatmeal is a great option. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more healthy content.